Welcome back, guys. This is part 2 to the update of the 5 lug that we're doing here. In this part, we're going to be doing the control arms on the front of the car, switching them over to the SN95 control arms, hub, and all that. I told you I was going to show you how to convert it to 5 lug just by switching rotors. Well, I decided to go a different route, and I went to the junkyard and I got control arms and I got the spindle and hub and everything, calipers and rotors from a 99 Mustang. So that'll put us out wider a little bit on the front and yeah, give us the 5 lug. I was reading into it, and if you would have just swapped it over with just regular old rotors that are a direct swap for the Foxbody spindles and everything, even though they're 5 lug, fitment wise it limits the amount of wheels that you can actually fit on it. So I went ahead and went this route. So we're prepping the control arms, and the springs on these broke off inside the rubber boot, and it goes all the way down, and it's pretty much rust welded itself to the control arm. We managed to get this one out. It's laying right here, but yeah, that was a pain. Jeremiah was fighting with it for a while, and I was messing with this one, and all I managed to do was tear up this rubber boot, but I didn't get that spring that's in there to budge at all. Well, we got them both out, so now I got it hanging, and we're going to throw some black on it. It's a bit cold out, so I don't know how well this is going to take really, but I got some semi-gloss black. We're going to throw it up on there. And yeah, I did, as you could probably tell in that last clip, when we were messing with the spring here, I replaced the ball joint. I put the new ball joints in both control arms, and then I put new control arm bushings in as well. Next thing, I cleaned these all up, and now we're going to paint them. Me and Jeremiah just fought with those 2 lower control arm bolts for like over an hour for sure. What do you think? It might have been 2, Jeremiah?
Yeah, something like that,
maybe.
I guess.
Yeah, maybe 2. But yeah, we just finished. We're gonna call it for the night. But yeah, let me show you what we got done here. Got the control arm and everything completely taken off. Take this light out, yeah. So we got it completely removed, left the strut and all that stuff. And the one that I painted over there behind Jeremiah was the one for the other side of the car, and I didn't even realize till we started taking this apart. So I can't, it's going to be a minute before I can put the one back on this side, because I'm going to have to paint that, but that's going to be tomorrow. We're going to call it for the night. I'll probably be back out here tomorrow. I'm not sure when Jeremiah will be back, but either way, it ain't going to make any difference to you guys, because you're going to see it in the next clip.
So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed.
Alright guys, we got it all back together. We got the rotor on, got that nice caliper on. We got it all finished. The other side's done as well, with the IRS done, and then the front's done now. The 5-lug conversion is complete. Stay tuned for the next one. We got some pretty exciting stuff coming out. Thanks for sticking around, guys. Catch you in the next one.